Good morning, my dear boys of class 12. Today's last video is Fartlek method, the continuation of the previous video. Fartlek method. This is one of the most popular methods to develop endurance. Fartlek, the word Fartlek is a Swedish term which means speed play. This method, Fartlek method, was developed in 1930s by a by a physiologist named गोस्ता होल्मर. ठीक है, GOSTA, गोस्टा होल्मर, HOLMER. He was a national coach. So this method of training mainly depends on cross-country running through terrains, mountains, hilly and mountainous regions, uneven surface, plowed land, high altitude, riverbed, seashore, sandy surface, uneven surface, to adjust our body against some adverse circumstances. This is Fartlek method. It develops our endurance. I told, in Fartlek method, a group of athletes runs through high terrain, uneven surface, over-covered, uneven surface, plowed field, and you know it very well how to become steady, how difficult it becomes steady, to become steady in a plowed field or in sand, जो शॉक एब्जॉर्ब हो जाते हैं. सो इस तरह का डिफ़िकल्ट सर्कमस्टेंसेस में, इन एडवर्स सर्कमस्टेंसेस, the athletes or a team starts training, and naturally when he or she or when the group of athletes or a team comes in the very good surface, they play very well because they are accustomed to play in some adverse circumstances. So this is Fartlek method. Fartlek method is conducted in some adverse circumstances, right? Now, what are the advantages of Fartlek training? In notes, I have given a diagram of Fartlek training. The Fartlek training, it consists of different activities, जैसे stretching exercise, medium pace running, fast running, jogging, uphill running, downhill running, walking, hopping, sprints, jogging, limbering down exercises, one after another. A diagram, a chart is given, very important. Go through my notes, see it. I have given the chart in my computerized notes, which I have uploaded. What are the advantages of Fartlek training? There are many advantages and there are many disadvantages of this training also. So what are the advantages of training? It provides a strong stimulus for developing maximum oxygen utilization capacity. क्योंकि ये जो एडवर्स सर्कमस्टांसेस में कभी अपहिल रनिंग तो कभी डाउनहिल रनिंग, ये हम लोग का कार्डियोवास्कुलर एडजस्टमेंट को बहुत तगड़ा बनाता है. इट मेक्स आवर कार्डियोवास्कुलर सिस्टम स्ट्रॉन्ग. नंबर 2, इट डेवलप्स स्ट्रेंथ एंड एंड्योरेंस साइमल्टेनियसली टुगेदर. नंबर 3, इट गिव्स a psychological advantage, and this type of Fartlek training never becomes a boring in spite of long running, because it is conducted in the lap of nature. The athletes, the sports persons remain very close to nature, landscape. समुद्र के किनारे दौड़ते दौड़ते कब 5 किलोमीटर दौड़ लोगे कुछ पता नहीं चलेगा, because you are close to see phenomena of nature. बहुत अच्छा लगता है दौड़ने में. And large number of athletes can participate together at a time, and this training method, Fartlek training, doesn't need much equipments. So these are advantages of Fartlek training, and there are certain disadvantages also. Disadvantage क्या है? Number 1, here a group of players participate at a time, hence all the participants are not benefited equally. Number 1. Number 2, being in group, all the participants do not give their best effort. Number 3, since it is the surface running is not even, बिकॉज हिली माउंटेनियस रीजियन टेराइन इसमें होता है, देयर इज ऑलवेज चांसेस ऑफ इंजुरी. एंड नंबर 4, दिस मेथड of sports training doesn't require any specific, it is not for any specific sports. ठीक है, तो ये जनरल कंडीशनिंग में आते हैं, तो इसीलिए तो ये स्पेसिफिक कोई रिलेशनशिप कोई स्पेसिफिक गेम्स के साथ इसका नहीं रहता है. दिस ट्रेनिंग इज फॉर ओवरऑल डेवलपिंग ओवरऑल एंड्योरेंस. स्पेसिफिक एंड्योरेंस फॉर स्पेसिफिक गेम्स एंड स्पोर्ट्स is not developed in this training. So these are the disadvantages, but its advantage outnumbers the disadvantages. Thank you very much. Go through my notes again.